In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatgpt for Gmail in 2025. This useful tool is designed to streamline your email processes, making communication smoother and more efficient. Let's walk through the steps to set it up and get started so you can integrate AI effortlessly into your daily emailing. First, head over to your Gmail account and keep an eye out for the plus icon, which is typically found in the extension section of your inbox interface. Clicking on this icon will open up a variety of options and additional functionalities that can enhance your Gmail experience. Once you've clicked that, simply type GPT into the search bar. This will help you locate the specific extension we're looking to use today, which is the GPT for Gmail. As you type in GPT, a list of corresponding results should appear. Look for the GPT for Gmail option and click on it. This action will lead you to a new window or tab where you can proceed to install the extension. At this point, click on the Install button, which prompts the installation process, allowing the extension to be added to your email account. Follow through by clicking on the Continue button. This step confirms your decision to install the GPT tool, ensuring full functionality integration into your Gmail platform. Now, with the installation complete, it's time to put it to use. Begin by clicking on the Compose button in Gmail, which you typically use to start a new email. You'll notice a new icon at the bottom of your composition window. This is the ChatGPT icon, and clicking it will activate the AI writing assistant. Once open, you'll see an empty field. Click on this field to start drafting your message. For instance, you may want to use a suggestion like, "Did you get the chance to read my last email? Thanks." This example illustrates how the tool can assist in creating quick, friendly follow-ups or other standard responses. After selecting your desired text or prompt, the next step is to click Generate. This action enables ChatGPT to craft a refined version of your draft message, providing suggestions or fully composed text that you can review. It's important to evaluate the generated content to make sure it aligns with your intended communication style and objective. If you find the generated message satisfactory, go ahead and click Insert. This will seamlessly input the text into your email draft, allowing you to make any further personalized edits before sending it off. And there you have it. You've now successfully integrated and utilized ChatGPT within Gmail to enhance your email composing experience. This tool is particularly powerful for those looking to save time, ensure professional correspondence, and add a touch of AI-powered assistance to their everyday communication. Thanks for joining me today, and happy emailing.